Hey guys, good morning to all. This is Sunday morning about 7 a.m. and the last 3 weeks have been a real roller coaster with our new ATM division, I should say. Still part of our existing business, but ATMs we're trying to keep separate so we can stay up. We may need to hire some help. We have almost 50 people in our downline now that are ATM operators themselves. We are proud to announce that we are a Venco Business Services distributor. We have premium discount pricing on ATMs. We still offer free freight. And now, best of all, we offer free, 2 words, hosting, processing. Okay, it's one of the same. Our hosting company does the processing. What this means when I say free, you charge $350, which is our average, what we charge per transaction. You get the entire $350. Out of that, if you give a commission to your store, gas station, whatever, that's up to you. Some don't give a commission. On the slower spots, under really about especially under 80 or 75 transactions, it's a service. It's a service to these stores. They don't have enough volume. You should get that whole $350 to where if they're only doing 60 or 70 spots, you still get a couple hundred a month, which puts your ROI at about a year. We prefer it to be 8 months. Of course, we've got some that the ROI is 2 and 3 months, but that's very uncommon. Don't expect that. We're not going to blow smoke with these numbers, but we do have a couple sensational spots that were total sleepers to us. So anyways, guys, haven't had much time to do any tips and tricks videos. If you have ideas for us as far as repair, mostly bench stuff. We don't have vending machines in this shop here in Arizona. This is just a tech shop. All of our full line vending is up in Northern California, and everything ships from there, as you know. So in trying to keep up, I wanted to rattle off this quick video. The ATM thing is just crazy. I have 4 or 5 videos, and I really think, guys, at this point that 100% of the questions are answered. I have no problem answering a couple of questions that you may have missed on those videos, but we made it a point to try and save us some time. In the early days with the ATMs, I would spend half hour to 45 minutes on the phone with somebody about ATMs, but I just don't have that time now. So if you're ready to pull the trigger, your questions are answered, you want to order your first machine, let's get you on base. Let's get you in the game, and we'll get you that first piece of equipment coming. We'll get your account set up. There's never a fee for this, but what I don't want to see is our office staff get overloaded with people opening accounts and never getting their first piece of equipment. This isn't fair to them, and this is going to prevent us, hopefully, from not having to charge an application fee at some point. But right now, we probably have 25 people that are dormant that have not pulled the trigger. They've opened an account but haven't followed through. So guys, if you're ready, we're ready for you. Our office staff is ready. They are extremely competent. They get the job done. It only takes a matter of an hour, guys, to get your account open. You get your back-end login. As soon as you add your first ATM, your first location, they add it for you. You get all the stats up to the minute, when the last transaction was, when the last communication was, so you know that your machine is online. If the store closes at night, if they perhaps turn the power off to the machine, you know it's sitting dormant, but that's probably because they're closed. So most of mine, I encourage them just to leave the machine on. It doesn't take that much more power. So anyways, guys, this is kind of a happy report. We're busy. We're trying to keep up. We have a couple different businesses we run. Our internet website for our parts is the handiest thing we have, because when we come in the morning, the first thing that happens is every one of those orders gets processed and sets by the door and gets ready for the mailman or FedEx. So those are always utmost importance to get those out the same day. The only time there's a delay is if we drop ship from one of our manufacturers, and we have many. We're over 30 product lines now. Everything from high security locks, of course, is our mainstay, which is change machines, American Hamilton and Standard, plus Triad and Row. And that's kind of what we built our base on. So guys, any questions, holler. We're ready for your business. For now, Doug at Doug's World Tour. Still got a little work to do here on a Sunday, but I'm going to try and quit by noon. I'm out.